How do you size an ideal transformer rating for the factory? Sizing the ideal transformer rating for a factory involves considering several factors. Here's a general approach to help you with the process. Determine the load requirement. Assess the electrical load demand of your factory. Identify the types of equipment, machinery, and systems that will be powered by the transformer. Note down the power ratings in kilowatts or kilovolt amperes and operating voltages of each load. Calculate total load. Sum up the power ratings of all the loads to determine the total load demand for the transformer. Take into account both the active power Q and the reactive power kVAR. If you need to account for power factor correction, consider future expansion. Anticipate any future growth or expansion plans for your factory. If you expect additional loads or increased power demands in the near future, incorporate those requirements into the transformer sizing process. Determine utilization factor. Determine the utilization factor or load factor, which represents the average load the transformer is expected to carry in relation to its rated capacity. Transformers are typically designed to operate efficiently at around 60–80 of their rated capacity for optimal performance and longevity. Account for diversity factor. Consider the diversity factor, which accounts for the likelihood that not all loads will operate at their maximum demand simultaneously. Some loads may cycle on and off, or their peak demands may not align. Apply an appropriate diversity factor to the total load to calculate the effective demand on the transformer. Determine transformer size. Multiply the total load demand by the utilization factor and diversity factor to obtain the transformer's required rating. It's generally recommended to select the next standard rating available that is equal to or higher than the calculated value. Common transformer ratings include 100 kVA, 250 kVA, 500 kVA, 1000 kVA, and so on. Consider transformer losses. Take into account the transformer losses, including core losses, no-load losses, and winding losses, load losses. These losses depend on the transformer's efficiency, and it's important to select a transformer that provides acceptable losses while meeting the load requirements. Consult a professional. Sizing a transformer accurately requires expertise and knowledge of electrical systems. It's always advisable to consult with a professional electrical engineer or a transformer manufacturer to ensure that the sizing process is performed correctly and meets local electrical codes and regulations. Remember, these steps provide a general guideline for sizing an ideal transformer rating for a factory. The specific requirements of your factory and any applicable local regulations should be considered for an accurate sizing assessment. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.